Okay, time for another video. This is a challenge lock that I picked up at the recent Bristol meetup. It's a 5-pin challenge lock made by Roblocks. There's the bitting. I've picked this a few times. I've not gutted it yet, so I'm hoping to get it picked now on camera, and then I'll get it gutted, hopefully. Let's get this pinned up, put up in the van, should I say. And we'll begin. Like I say, it's a 5-pin lock. There's pin 4. Feedback of pin 2. That was pin 5, giving a click. Pin 2 again. And there we go. Open. Right, let's see if we can get this gutted. Let's point the camera down a bit. Right, I'm not really set myself up for this. Oh. There we go. And the 4. And I think I'd better use a shim as well. That's that. Let me just go close the door. Just 1 second. Right. I can see that the plug has been threaded. 1, 3, and 5. Actually, not use that one. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Number 1 is a spool. Two looks like an NASA pin. Get that spring out of the way. 3 serrated. That's an interesting looking pin. And that's 5. Springs look different as well. Where did that go? That's a spring out of 2. It's too much of a fight to get the springs out of 3, 4 and 5. They're all below the shear line, hidden inside, so I'll leave them where they are. Oh, hang on a second. I've just spotted pin 5 is threaded. Don't think pin 4 is, chamber 4 is, or chamber 3. I don't know if it's showing up on the camera. Chamber 1 has been left alone. Chamber 2 has been threaded. Right. Let's give a close up of these pins. And where's the key? That's the bitting. Alright, some interesting pins there. Thanks to whoever gave me this Bristol meetup. I can't remember who I got it from. But as it says, it's been pinned up by Roblocks. Alright, okay, thank you very much and goodbye.